Alright, hello everyone, my name is Engineer Carl and today we are unboxing my new motherboard. So it's an ASUS strix x570 Gaming E. Like, I've just never had this high-end motherboard, so I have sold my PC. Well, apart from the power supply and SSDs, the power supply also needs to go. But yeah, I'm building a new one. I hope there will be a video of that. So you know, it's a really nice box and all. You know, it costs, you know, more than other motherboards have combined probably. But yeah, it should be you know, have all kinds of nice features. So let's open it her up. So I'm trying to get the box open. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is girthy. Big. I maybe should have put more lights on. The bit is quite noisy. I will be right back. Actually. Yeah, this looks ugly. Wait. Alright, I have no idea why the video is so noisy. But anyway, here's a box. Contents unknown. We'll take a look at that later. And here's the motherboard. Well, I will get it out because I'm not one-handing this. Well, it costs too much. Well, yeah. This is beautiful. I have never had such a high-end motherboard before. Like, look at the detail. It looks so amazing. You know, here's an active cooling fan for the chipset. And yeah, here's the socket. It's a, you know, BGA socket, AMD one, AM4. And here's, you know, two power plugs because it has pretty nice VRMs and, you know, nice VRM cooling. You know, 4 amp slots. Alright, this has tabs only on the one side, I think. Yep. And here's, you know, change your RGB and stuff. And now let's. Alright, here's a temperature. And you know, on the other side it also looks pretty nice. Now I will put this away and we'll take a look at the rest of the box. Inside that small box, this one, you know, where the Wi-Fi antenna and whatever else it has, probably has Bluetooth. So inside of this box, underneath this, it's a really nice packaging, but you know, it's a nice motherboard. You know, we have even more stuff. So we have the manual and all that stuff. Manual, stickers. Those are pretty nice stickers, I would say. Underneath here we have even more stuff, like a thank you card from ASUS, and we have an RGB extension, I think, fan extension maybe, because I have no idea what some of these are. And these are SATA cables, so yeah, I have to take a closer look at them, but yeah, it's a nice board, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.